Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing great. Welcome to LeetCode, and the problem that we are going to solve today is LeetCode number 2 problem, that is add two numbers. So what does the question says? You are given two non-empty linked lists representing two non-negative integers. The digits are stored in reverse order and each of their nodes contain a single digit. Add the two numbers and return the sum as linked list. Okay, so what does the question says? We have two linked lists 2 4 3 and 5 6 4. What we have to do, we have to just add the number represented as a node of the linked list, like 3 and 4, 4 and 6 and 5, 2 and 5. They represent a number as a node, and we have to add uh, those two numbers, and we have to store it in a new linked list. Okay, so what's the catch here is 4 plus 3, that is 7, 6 plus 4, that is 10, but we have to store 0 only, and we have to take 1 as a carry, and 5 plus 2 7, and the one that is carry is 5 plus 2 plus 7 plus 1 8. So this is the answer. Okay, so what we can do, we can just iterate through both the linked list and keep adding the numbers and store keep adding the numbers and store the number as a node in a new linked list, and we have to keep track of carry as well. So firstly we have to create a dummy node, so that we can store our resultant in that dummy node only. Okay, so let's name is dummy. Just give the value 0. Okay, so let's create a temp variable, so that like we can store the numbers and we can iterate through the new linked list dummy. Okay, so what we have to do is we have to check while l1 does not equal to null, or l2 does not equal to null. Okay, so we have to check, we have to keep iterating unless there is a node left in any of the linked list. Okay, so we will get the values of both the list. If l1 does not equal to null, we will like l1 dot val, otherwise we will take it as 0. Similarly to y is equal to l2 does not equal to null, we will take l2 dot val, otherwise we will take 0, and our sum will be, okay, we have to define carry also. Int carry, in starting it will be 0, and int sum, we have to define sum, and we have to just add x, y, and also carry and we have to store it in our dummy linked list. So temp was pointing to 0, now we will add it to temp dot next new list node with the value. Okay, suppose the sum is equal to 10, so what we have to store, we have to store that the remainder part. When we divide it with number 10, the remainder part will be stored in the new linked list, and the quotient part will be considered as a carry. So sum modulo 10, it will be stored in a temp dot next, and temp is equal to temp dot next. Okay, also carry will be, okay, carry is equal to sum by 10. Like we have, suppose we have 14, so we divide 14 by 10, we get 4 as a remainder, which we have to store in the linked list, and we will get 1 as a carry. When we divide 14 by 10, the quotient will be 1 and the 1 will be carry. So we will keep updating carry, and we will keep updating sum also, like x plus y plus carry. Okay, and then we store temp equal to temp dot next. Then we will check if l1 does not equal to null, l1 is equal to l1 dot next, and if L2 does not is equal to null, L2 is equal to L2 dot next. These are the conditions so that we can keep iterating through both the list. Okay, so here the loops end. Okay, now the last thing that we have to do, we have to check whether if carry is greater than 0 or not. Like after iterating both the linked list, we have created the dummy node and we have stored all the values as a new node. But what if after exiting from the loop, the carry stored some value? So we will store that value as a new node in a dummy linked list also. So we will check if carry is greater than 0. We will also store carry, and carry will not be greater than 10, so we have to just store it as it is, and we have to return dummy dot next. Okay, because the head of dummy was 0, and from there we have keep updating our dummy node, and we have keep adding the values of x plus y plus carry. Okay, so we have to return dummy dot next, the head of the new linked list only. Just click on submit. Let's see if it gets accepted or not. Okay, yep, it's accepted. It's a very famous question for a linked list, and it has been asked in many interviews. So yeah, I hope you have understand the solution, and if you have any problem, just ping me in the comment, or you can ask me ask me the question on Instagram, and I have also added the URL for my for my LinkedIn profile. Just DM me if you want to know if you have any problem while solving this question, and I will keep posting the LeetCode solution for the next problems also. So yeah, keep loving, keep following, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys.